Okay, so this is an account management program. We have encoded payments right over here. The days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We got payments left, payments paid, the balances over here, and the number of weeks that needs to be paid. Basic stuff. Here we have the list of accounts from which we're going to enter payments and control the whole thing basically. Everything is controlled by a controller. The controller has a list of accounts in the drop down right over here. See this? We have the list of accounts and we can enter payments. We can create new accounts, enter daily payments. We can do anything over here. Everything can be tailor made. So let's fill out some payments for Wednesday. Let's say 1000 over here, 750 over here, 200, 420. 240. As you can see, if the correct payment is entered, it paints it green, and if not, it just leaves it blank. 1800 and 460. Now, let's say we want to enter a single payment on Tuesday. So we're going to choose company 4. Let's click the drop down over here, go to company 4 and enter payment. Once we clicked enter payment, an input box popped open, and this will send the payment to the database sheet that you see over here, where all the payments are recorded and account balances are accounted for. Let's enter a payment, let's say 900, click OK, and the payment was added to company number 4, and the balance was accounted for over here. Now, what if we want to enter the payments of the entire day? For that, we have a way to select and enter the whole day through the controller. Let's go back to the account page. And we got Wednesday filled out over here. Let's go back to controller. And over here, we can select the whole day. And once we're going to click enter client payments, it's going to take us back to the database. As you can see, we got all the companies we selected and the amounts paid entered into our database. And we can manipulate this database in any way possible with Excel, get the necessary info we need, show graphs, charts, cash flow, everything that the accountant department needs. Now, what happens if we accidentally select an account that's on the wrong day, or on a different day? To prevent that from happening, we programmed Excel to inform us that it's going on and to prevent that. So let's choose a different day. Let's choose Wednesday and one account from Tuesday with it, and click enter payments, and a custom made message bar comes up and informs us that something went wrong. Excel caught it and prevented it. Let's click OK and get rid of it. Nothing happened. And there you have it, just a simple program to control accounts easily and error-free. Thank you for watching.